Hi guys, it's Creepy LPS, and my family got me mango. It's a baby. Mango, say hi to the camera. Mango, she's here, and we're trying to put a name. We got it for today, and it's so cute. It looks like Mikey, almost like Mikey, because it has the top head orange and it's here really yellow. Mikey's fine, and he made it. This was a minute excerpt. Michael, say hi to the camera. She can't bite yet. I don't know if it's he or she, but yeah. Yeah. We got her this. We got her little cage. Michael, don't poop on me. Please, Michael, please don't poop on me. So yeah, we're gonna keep her in my brother's room. I'm too excited. It's her first day. She hasn't known me yet, so yeah. I hope she doesn't die. Mango. 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 She's too shy. So bye guys. And if you have a bird, comment down below if you have one of these. Okay?